but taking a look out over central Indiana, you see some clouds hanging over the area, but more importantly, you see all of that snow still coating the ground, the tops of buildings. If we had to give an award for this, it would be, I don't know, coldest, nastiest
day so far.
Morning so far.
You know, what happens is that, Carrie, the wind blows over the snow, and so that literally chills the air, and so that's why it feels nasty out there.
So bitterly cold.
It gets into the bones, and we're looking ahead towards some sunshine today, but also some snow coming in. I wanted to show you again this area. This is 65 near the Whiteland area. We're going to show you that in a moment. I want you to be careful. We had a number of accidents this morning, primarily due to the fact that we had some untreated roads or roads that were treated and now they're frozen again. So this again, that northbound Whiteland ramp closed at I-65 here. Well, let's talk snow. We've had a little bit of light snow flurry action this morning and now into the early afternoon, primarily to the north of Indy. Now, we've had a few snow flurries dance around. Some of this is actually sticking on the ground near Alexandria and also Marion, and then to the south in Greensburg and Westport. But this is not much, and this is not the snow that we've been talking about. A live look at a sun-drenched JW Marriott downtown, 15. That's it out there. And it feels like 2. So it feels really cold outside, and it will all during the day, despite the fact that's a southerly breeze that, again, as I mentioned to Carrie, is cold air blowing over snow. So we're looking for 1 inch to 2 inches by tomorrow morning. I do think the morning rush hour will be impacted by this on Tuesday, then a quick moving storm tonight into Tuesday. By Wednesday morning, I was mentioning this to Carrie off air, we're going to drop down to 0, and the wind chills could be 15 below. I wanted to say it real fast. 15 out there right now, 16 in Lafayette, 17 degrees in Bloomington, and here are your wind chills. 1 below in Marion, 2 below in Muncie, 8 in Seymour. Now, this afternoon, we'll see a little bit of everything. Again, some of those flurries dancing around. Some of you will get a brief snow shower, but eventually a high of 25, and that is 10 degrees below average for this time of year. This is one of the computer models I was using today to come up with the forecast, indicating, again, about 1 to 2 inches of snow falling. I think the farther north you live, the more you'll get. But again, we're going to have a couple more opportunities of snow this week. So we could get, if you were to take today through Sunday, maybe 4 or 5 inches of snow total. But let's do first things first, and that's tonight. This is 7 o'clock tonight when we'll start to see some of this snow come down from Lake Michigan. Again, with these Alberta clippers, they swing through, pick up the moisture from Lake Michigan, and again, because cold air doesn't like moisture, boom, comes down in the form of snow. So at 11 o'clock when Angela's on tonight with the night beat, we'll see widespread showers. We start sunrise tomorrow bright and early at 4 o'clock. Carrie, you may be standing out in this. Here we go with snow falling from 4 o'clock till about 7 o'clock, so during the whole length of our show and then into the beginning. Now, we had dozens and dozens of school delays today. I think we'll have more tomorrow because it will be snowing on top of what could prove to be refrozen bridges and overpasses. 25 for a high today. Tonight, that snow starts to come in after 7 p.m. in the metro, 1 to 2 inches by dawn tomorrow. 21 then tonight, 24 tomorrow with some occasional snow bursts, 20 on a cold day. Wednesday, 31 Thursday. And Carrie, even though we'll see a wintry mix, we'll be back to 32 degrees by Friday.
All right, and I did get my assignment. I will be standing out in it.